Hello, everyone, and welcome to this English lesson. Today, we're going to learn about the present continuous tense, one of the most useful tenses to talk about actions happening right now or around the present moment. Whether you're a beginner or just want to practice, this lesson will help you understand how to form and use the present continuous correctly. Let's get started. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now, at this very moment. For example, I am talking means that I am speaking right now. It can also describe actions happening around the present time, even if not exactly at this second. This tense helps us express ongoing activities. To form the present continuous, we use the verb to be in the present tense, that is, am, is, or are, followed by the main verb with the ending ing. For example, I am reading, she is walking, and they are playing. This simple formula helps us create sentences in the present continuous. We use the present continuous in several cases. First, for actions happening now. Second, for temporary actions, things that are happening around this time but not permanently. Third, for planned future events, like I am meeting my friend tomorrow. And finally, to describe changing situations, such as the weather is getting warmer. To make a negative sentence in the present continuous, we add not after the verb to be. For example, I am not eating, he is not coming, or they are not watching TV. This shows that the action is not happening at the moment. To ask questions in the present continuous, we switch the order of the subject and the verb to be. For example, instead of saying you are working, we ask, are you working? Other examples are, is she studying? And are they playing football? This is how we form yes-no questions in this tense. To make the ing form, follow these rules. If the verb ends with e, like make, drop the e and add ing so it becomes making. If the verb has one syllable and a short vowel, like run, double the last consonant and add ing, making running. If the verb ends with e, like lie, change ee to y and add ing so it becomes lying. Let's practice the present continuous. Try to complete these sentences with the correct form. Say your answers out loud or write them down. Great. Let's check the answers together. 1. She is watching TV now. We use is because the subject is she and the verb is watching. 2. We are not going to school today. We takes are, and since it's negative, we add not before the verb. 3. Are you reading the book? This is a question, so we start with are, then you, and finally reading. 4. I am studying English at the moment. With I, we always use am, and the verb becomes studying. How many did you get right? Don't worry if you made a mistake. Just review the rules and keep practicing. To summarize, the present continuous tense is used for actions happening now, temporary activities, planned future events, and changing situations. It's formed with the present tense of to be, am, is, are, plus the main verb with ing. Don't forget the rules for negatives, questions, and spelling. Keep practicing and soon this tense will become easy and natural for you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this lesson helped you understand the present continuous tense better. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time for more easy English lessons.